you so much, Fletcher. So this just in, we now see that Ida is 145 miles south-southeast of the mouth of the Mississippi River, and it is getting a little bit larger. So the hurricane force winds extend out 40 miles, and we have a report of the tropical force winds extending out 140 miles. So it's 280 miles across. Still forecast to make landfall as you go into Sunday, likely as a Cat 4, winds of 130 miles per hour. But wait, approaching Baton Rouge, now expected to be close to a Cat 2. Probably dying down some because that's south of Baton Rouge, but winds still 100 miles per hour. So that's going to be a concern. Let's zoom in and just look at this. We're going to take it in full. So it's a Cat 2 now with winds of 105 miles per hour, but going into the morning by 7 o'clock Sunday, we're expecting it to be a Cat 4 with winds of 130 miles per hour. Approaching Baton Rouge, kind of close to New Orleans, we're seeing that, oh, and look, it shifted. It's a little bit more to the east. It's more over Grand Isle and right over Port Fourchon. No longer is it right over Terrebonne Bay. So there is a little bit of a shift to the east. Looks like the center perhaps a little bit closer to New Orleans. So that's not something we want to see. That generally means greater impact. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I did not see a change in the storm surge. Hold on, I'm just going to look real quickly along the coast and see if that has changed. No, it's still looking like it is the same, 10 to 15 feet. Let's face it, 10 to 15 feet is not good. I also wanted to point out, if we could come back here just a second, there are two other depressions to point out. Wait, let me go to the full disk so that you can see it. Look, you've got one way out in the Atlantic and another one that is east of the Lesser Antilles. So we've got two other depressions. Just something to monitor. Okay, let's go and look. So my big concern is, of course, come on over, the storm surge. And this is our potential storm surge graphic, and it's showing a whole lot of red. I know I just showed this to you a moment ago, but that is our, well, there's so many concerns. I mean, heavy rain is going to be a concern, the high winds with wind damage, and of course that wind causing the storm surge. So everywhere where you're seeing the red is where you've got the potential for a storm surge of 9 feet or higher, and where you're seeing the yellow, that's 3 feet of storm surge. So here it is moving to the northwest. That hasn't changed, 16 miles per hour, now 145 miles to the southeast of the mouth of the river. And with each of these rain bands, you're getting higher winds, clocked at about 50 miles per hour with that band when it moved across one buoy. And this one, I was seeing about 40 miles per hour. Look, we'll put in the buoys. And you're just going to see it continuing to go up. Even far to the east, you've got some pretty good winds. And this showing you the flow of the wind and the water. Here is a look at some of those bands, and that's what's moving our way. And you're going to get heavy rain. You're going to have some lightning. You're going to get the surge beginning to increase. As this band moves in, you're going to get a water rise right there at St. Bernard and Plaquemines Parish. So it's happening, folks. There's your flash flood watch. We're going to get heavy rain. The risk is that we could have 10 to 15 inches of rain, and a high risk for excessive rainfall tomorrow, and there that moderate risk as you go into your Monday. We're looking at the rainfall that's forecast and the bright yellow. I know I've shown you this, but 15 inches of rain. No pumps can handle 15 inches of rain. I'm just saying, they can't. So be aware, landfall early afternoon, Cat 4, maybe even a little bit sooner, and it's looking like that track has shifted just a little bit to the east, now more Port Fourchon to Grand Isle instead of Port Fourchon into Terrebonne Bay and Terrebonne Parish. So that is a change. And it's a very large and dangerous hurricane. The tropical force winds extend out 140 miles. And that's something the Hurricane Center has been talking about, that the wind field was expected to expand. And indeed, it does look like that is happening. Our big concern right here along the coast, and you can see how it has shifted. Look, a little earlier it was more here. Now, right over Port Fourchon to Grand Isle. So that shift just a little bit. And then we go on over to the river parishes, and notice the track, or rather the cone, has now moved a little bit more over the metro. So as that cone gets smaller, it shows a great deal of confidence in where the center is going. 2 out of 3 times it's in the cone, 1 out of 3 times it's out of the cone. So a great deal of confidence that the system is basically moving over the river parishes. So truly, I am very concerned about you, and you're going to get a great deal of water moving across that area. Then on the North Shore, so here is the cone, here is the track, kind of just over the western portion of Livingston Parish. So that means you got a whole lot of water that's moving into Livingston, into Tangipahoa, and into St. Tammany. Also, the Mississippi Gulf Coast, the potential for 24 hours of rain, and at times very heavy rain. So I showed you these. The rivers are all going to be rising. They're low right now, but they're going to go up 10 to 15 feet in a short time period. And so if you live close to the rivers, you know, move back. Don't be playing out there. It's going to get rough. So be aware for the metro that we're going to have wind damage, power lines down, trees are going to come down, potential for flooding, and look at how that track is just right on us almost. I mean, we are just to the east of it. So that is a track you really do not want to see. I'm just saying. And then along the Mississippi Gulf Coast, you're going to have a water rise here. Your rivers are going to go to, I think it was moderate flood that I saw, and the potential for, you know, heavy rainfall on the order of 7 to 10 inches. So we look at that forecast, and this is just a representation of one model, and it's been very consistent, and now it looks like the Hurricane Center is following it a bit more, but it's more to the west of Port Fourchon and then going farther to the west. The Hurricane Center is actually kind of right about in here as I look at my parishes. So really just west of the metro, but it gives you a good idea. Like that heavy rain, maybe more over here. So, you know, it's going to be a rough go. And then as we go through time, the rain moves off to the north. We'll get a little bit of the tail of Ida just across, and especially over the coastal areas as you go into your Tuesday. So we can look at the winds that give you a good idea. 8 o'clock, you know, hurricane force winds all along the coast, up to 125. This model's still a little west of where the Hurricane Center is. And here we are Sunday evening, 99 mile per hour winds over in Houma, upper 60s into the metro, mid 60s, 9 o'clock at night. And again, this model a little bit more to the west than what the Hurricane Center is forecasting. So how much rain? This model's saying through 1 o'clock, hey, 2 inches of rain. Okay, I'll take that. And then it continues to add up. This only through Sunday. But keep in mind, we're going to have rain all the way into your Monday and Tuesday. The global forecast model saying the potential for a good 12 inches of rain. You know, people have talked about how hot it's going to be, and later in the week we do see those temperatures going up. So it's going to be tough not to have AC, and many of us will not have AC unless you've got a generator.
All right, Margaret, thank you so much for that. And you talked about Plaquemines Parish being one of the places of concern, and that's where our very own Sherman DeSalle is live. You've been monitoring things out there in the parish. What's the latest, Sherman?